Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Art and Handcrafts. Today I am showing you the most easiest and beautiful crochet pattern that you can apply to most of your knitting projects. Okay, let's start with the pattern. I start the pattern by taking chains. Chain as much as you want depending upon the length of your crochet project. Okay guys, here you can see that I have made enough chains to tell you the pattern, but you take chains according to the length of your crochet project. Okay, let's start the first row. In first row, we made single crochet into every chain. For single crochet, we just insert the crochet in the chain and raise a loop like this. We have 2 loops on the crochet. Now close these 2 loops like this. Repeat the steps into every chain. 2 loops on the crochet. Now lock these 2 loops. Insert the crochet, raise a loop, 2 loops on the crochet. Now close these 2 loops. Okay, make single crochet until the end of the chains. Guys, here you can see that I have completed my first row with all the single crochets into every space. Okay, now let's start our second row. For second row, we make 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and now let's turn the pattern like this. Okay, let's start the second row. For second row, fold a loop, insert the crochet into first space and raise a loop like this. Again repeat the same step, fold a loop on the crochet and insert this into the next space and raise a loop. Okay, now we have total of 5 loops on the crochet. Just lock all these loops like this. Look. Now repeat the steps into the next spaces. Fold a loop, insert the crochet into the previous space and raise a loop. Again fold a loop, insert the crochet and raise a loop. Okay, we again have 5 loops on the crochet. Now lock these all 5 loops like this. Fold a loop, insert the crochet into the previous space, raise a loop. Fold a loop, insert the crochet and raise a loop. Look, we have again 5 loops on the crochet. Now lock all the 5 loops like this. Let's repeat the steps until the end of the row. Here you can see that I have completed my second row. Now let's start our third row. For third row, just take 1 chain and turn the pattern. In third row, just make single crochet into every single space. Insert the crochet into the first space and raise a loop. Here you can see that we have 2 loops on the crochet. Lock these 2 loops. Again repeat the same step. Insert the crochet from the back of the pattern and raise a loop. Lock the loops. Insert the crochet from the back and raise a loop. Lock the 2 loops. Insert the crochet into the next space and raise a loop. Lock these 2 loops. Repeat the steps until the end of the row. Viewers, here you can see that I have completed my third row. Okay, let's start our fourth row. For fourth row, just take 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and turn the pattern. Okay, we'll again make our pattern row. For pattern row, fold a loop on the crochet and insert the crochet into the first space. and now raise a loop. Fold a loop on the crochet and insert the crochet into the next space like this. Now raise a loop. Okay, here you can see that we have total of 5 loops on the crochet. Lock all these 5 loops into the single loop like this. Again fold a loop and insert the crochet into the previous space and raise a loop. Fold a loop, insert the crochet into the next space and raise a loop. We have 5 loops on the crochet. Now lock all these 5 loops. Repeat the steps into the next spaces. Fold a loop, insert the crochet into the previous space and raise a loop. Again fold a loop on the crochet and insert the crochet into the next space and raise a loop. Here you can see that again we have total of 5 loops on the crochet. Now lock all these 5 loops into one single loop. Repeat the steps until the end of the row. Guys, here you can see that I have completed my crochet pattern, but you can raise your size according to the length of your crochet project. This is the front of the pattern and this is the back of the pattern. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Until we meet into the next video, please don't forget to subscribe to my free YouTube channel Art and Handcrafts and like the video. Goodbye.